Shapes command series and the next is Revolve. Find it in ribbon. Click on Sketch Profile. This is a simple circle. Run the Revolve command in ribbon or find it in shortcut menu and click OK. Similar to Extrude command, here is Revolve as Solid and Revolve as Surface. First in Placement tab, in Axis, select this datum axis in graphic window, do it and complete the selection. First method is angle value, move and drag this point in graphic window, or write your desired value. Try to do it and complete the job. Test both of them and see the revolved body in graphic window. OK. Test many different values angles and check it out the result. OK. It's very good. Next method is both side. Check it out in graphic window by move and drag this point. Try to do it and complete the job. Very good. Next method is revolve to selected point, plane or surface. Select this planar face to do it. Very good. Also you can select this point to complete the job. In Option tab, Side 2, to Selected. OK. It's very good. Now select this other point in graphic window. You can see the new result. OK. It's very good. Also you can use the Remove Material icon, or Thicken Sketch, repetitious items. Test it yourself. Now we want to test the Revolve command to create surface modeling. We have an open sketch entity. You can see it. And now select the profile and select the Revolve command in shortcut menu. You can see the revolved surface preview. Change the angle value and test it by write different numbers. Try to do it and complete the job. OK. It's very good. Also you can move and drag this point. Move it on graphic window. Finally back to 360 degrees and make a complete cup. OK. Change the type to revolve as solid, and you can specify the thicken value and see the surface result. We want to use the revolve cut. We have a closed profile that drawn in sketch environment. OK. Exit from sketch environment and then run the revolve command. Make the revolve by remove material. And test it on different angles value and see the result cut revolve in preview. OK. It's very good.